channel. So today's video is on the products that I bought for my Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. Yes, you heard it right. So finally, after 2.5 years, I just splurged on Nykaa because I thought it is well deserved. I could keep control till 2 years. I did not buy a single thing from Nykaa. And this time on its Pink Friday sale, I was like, now is the time, baby, you deserve it. So let's see what all I bought without much ado. Let's get started. So this is the box, the Nykaa box, and it has all the items that I have purchased in this sale. I've been collecting it. So what happens is when you order on Nykaa, they don't like put all your products in one package and then send it across. They'll give you small packages and small batches of your products, all the products that you have ordered. So I have not been using any of the items received earlier or later. I was just collecting all of them for you guys to make this video in this Nykaa box. And today, just like I'll give you a glimpse of how many products we have to see. A lot of items to see. So I won't be able to give you, since there are so many products, I won't be able to give you a very detailed review or outlook on the products because there are many of them which I'll be using it for the first time. But yes, in my coming videos of my makeup tutorials or any other videos where I'm using them, I'll surely remember to just patch in that review for the product that I've used in that video and just make sure that it comes across to you. So let's start. Now, earlier I was thinking that I'll segregate all lipsticks on one side and everything on the other side and do something of that sort. But I think we should not go that way because it will take a lot of time for me to sort it out. I'll just go in the random way and show you all each and every product quickly, that whatever I've bought, all the products quickly. So first one, also I've made one more video. Before starting this, I want to just let you all know that I've made one more video where I have used few products from Nykaa which I've bought and few from the D store, from my own D store Instagram handle dstore9010. So yeah, so I've clubbed both of them and tried to create this look which I'm wearing today. So if you guys want to see that, how I've created this look, let me just show you all. It's the sunset eyes and the sunset look. So if you all want to create this look and see which products that I have used, you all can definitely see that video on my channel. It will be up on my channel. So let's start with the first product. The first product is from Just Herbs Skin Tint Medium Coverage in the shade 01 Ivory. So this is the box and this is the glass bottle packaging. It has a pump packing which is really good for any bottles. I like pump packings. So this is the first item. I will make sure to just link it on this screen. What is its original price and for what price did I get it in the sale. So next time when you want to buy this, you can just wait for a sale period, or if you find it an urgent need to buy this, you can buy it otherwise also from Nykaa. So this is the first product, and yeah, why I bought it, because it is like a natural skin tint, there are no harsh chemicals, and I always love such products which are easy on skin. So this was my first product from Just Herbs. The second product that comes in my hand in the random order I'm picking, okay guys. So second product that has come in my hand is a Swiss Beauty Perfect Match Pan Stick. Now all those who have been following my channel and following my makeup tutorials, they know, all the OG ones, they know that I've just been using one concealer throughout, and that is Swiss Beauty concealer. So you all might have seen, the LA Pro Girl and other concealer loyalists, but I am from the starting, ever since I learned concealing my eyes, I've been using this Swiss Beauty because it's very affordable on your pocket and very good in its price. So this is a pan stick. I also have a liquid one, but this is a pan stick. Good for concealing your eyes, your face, anywhere where you have your discoloration, your eyelids for your eyeshadow, your lips for your, if you want your lipstick to pop up. So all these places I use just one concealer, and that is this Pan Stick one, because liquid concealer, rather than liquid, I find this creamy concealers quite hassle free and easy to travel with, carry with, and really nice. Liquid concealers also is good, like liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty is also good. I've been using it, but this is quite convenient, I would say. Next product I've not bought from Nykaa. So if you like cross a certain amount from Nykaa, like if you buy till above a certain amount, then Nykaa like gives you certain products as freebies to try. So this was one of it. And this is again from Just Herbs. This is Shirolipum hair and scalp treatment mask, and it is made of amla, shank pushpi, and bringraj. So it's a hair mask. I've not used it till now, but like subscribe to my YouTube channel. I keep dropping videos about reviews. Also on my Instagram, I keep dropping reviews of the products that I use. So you can also like follow me on Instagram on DS90 official. So over there, if I whenever I use it, I'm going to drop a review on my story or either an IG video, anything, or on a reels. So this is it. Okay, I'll show. Let me tell you one thing. The smell of this is like out of this world. It's so good smelling, and I'm really sure that whenever I use this, it's definitely going to give me a very, very, very good feel, because I can really see how good it smells. So according to its, for its texture, it's quite creamy. Oh my god, my hands are already smelling so good. It's not a hand cream, but can't help it, it's so good. Okay, so that was another product which was a freebie. So let's not talk much about the freebies. Next thing that I have bought is this. Look at this, it's so cute. It's from Just Herbs, and there are like a lot of mini lipsticks inside, and it has come in this cute packing of small purse. It's very cute. So this is a micro mini trial kit from Just Herbs, and it is herb enriched Ayurvedic lipsticks. So ever since I'm finding all the natural variants of all makeup products, I've also been hunting for a good company which produces Ayurvedic or natural lipsticks. And Just Herbs produces everything like lip and cheek tints, and for your skin, for your hair, for your eyes, for your lips, everything. So I was like, let me first try the mini versions of it, because I have been trying like for other companies as well, and I mean they should not like be a compromise. If you're just switching the formulation and some shift that you want to take from artificial to some natural kind of makeup, then there should not be a compromise, I feel. So this company surely makes makeup very close to your natural cosmetics. I mean to your artificial cosmetics, but it still is quite natural. So I was like, let me just first try the mini ones, and if I find good shades, because I already have a lot of lipsticks and I have bought a lot in my Nykaa haul as well. So I was like, let me try the mini ones, and whenever I find a need, like in my future when I want to buy lipsticks, then I'll like see from these kits. So this is the trial kit. I'll just show you 2-3 of them. They are so cute and mini ones. Look at them. And they have been numbered with shades like 1, 2, 3 and all that. Now, my only concern is I've not visited the site yet. Like if I like a certain shade, then do they mention that shade on that particular lipstick's full version, that this was the shade which you tried for your mini version? I still need to figure that out. I've not got much time after like buying things from my Nykaa haul, and I just made this video. But if I surely find something, I'll let my viewers know for sure. You guys know it. So I'll just watch one of them. This one cute mini one. I'll just swatch one of them for you. And for sure there's no compromise on the quality, on the formulation, on its softness. Everything is on point, and plus these are like 12 shades, I guess. So cute and mini ones. I love them. I'm going to just throw them in my purse, and just for a touch up I can just use them. And this is really cute to give somebody, this trial pack also, I feel. Okay, so this was something which I bought. Then the next one is, let me get the heavy things out of this box so I can figure out the smaller things. This is the Swiss Beauty serum that I bought, anti-aging Alexa serum, hydrating, brightening, smoothing with Centella Asiatica essence. This is 45 ml package for all skin types. And look what luxe packing is this, man. Swiss Beauty. I love that brand. It gives you, seriously, it gives you good products in a budget, man. Seriously. This is an anti-aging serum. Your mama is in 30s and she needs to take care of her skin. So I need to incorporate few skin products in my routine now for anti-aging as well, knowing that I've crossed 30, and although I'm not aging now, my skin is very good, it's behaving nicely. But over the period of time till I proceed towards my 40s, if I don't take care of my skin now, it's surely going to show up. Not that I'm afraid of that it's going to show up. It's fine. It's fine to age gracefully with whatever skin you have. But yeah, you can definitely take care of it so that it does not have any major problems. Yeah, few wrinkles here and there are okay, girlies. Do not panic if you have that. You're meant to have that. That's nature of your beauty. I mean, be okay with it. So, look at the glass packing. Oh my god, look at this. Such a good serum. And again, as I love pump packings, this also comes in a pump packing, and its consistency is this. It's like a Hydra gel consistency in a light green color, and it smells divine. Oh my god. So what you can do is you can just use this serum at night with any of your good facial rollers and just take care of your skin, and can also be given as a gift. It's a good gifting item because its packing is quite luxe. So any girls whose birthdays are coming up, whether your mothers, wives, girlfriends, or your friends, anybody's, this is a good option to gift, I feel. So this was from Swiss Beauty. The next item that I bought is Skin Genius. Okay, Nykaa's Skin Genius BB all-in-one cream with the SPF 30, and this is 30 grams of packing, and it is in the shade of 03 Rich Honey. I've never tried, to be honest, I've never tried Nykaa's BB creams or CC creams, but I really wanted to try them because I had heard good reviews about it. So I was like, let me try, and what better time for trials, than the sale period where you get things for less. So this is how it comes in. It's a tube package. Although what I feel is the product is quite less, although the price is also accordingly, but it's quite less. So if you like this product and if you start using it like alternately or daily, then you surely have to buy a bigger tube or many such small tubes. So I think the only problem I have with this is its quantity. Its quantity is little less, compared to other things in this price range. Any which ways, let me just show you all the color for this. Not wasting much product because there's already very less of it. This is the color for it. So if you don't want, the day when you don't want to use your foundations or anything which is heavy, you can use these kind of skin tints or BBCC creams, whichever you want to use. Okay, this was the next product, and moving on to another product. I'm just running through it quickly because there are a lot of products and I don't want to make this video super long. Okay, the next one that I bought was the 3D Studio Effects lashes. Now let me tell you, I've never applied false lashes by myself, although I have like 2-3 boxes of it from some of the other companies, but I've never applied it on myself. But I really want to learn, and although I apply it or I don't apply it, but learning something is always useful. You never know when it comes handy. So I have used false lashes in events when there's some makeup girl coming and dressing me up or doing my makeup. At that time I've worn the lashes, so I know the feel of it. But yeah, by myself I've never tried sticking it on my natural lashes and all. But I really wanted to do that, and I had one pair of good lash, and I was like, what if while trying that breaks up, and if I really ace the game and I want to use it ahead in my videos or any other events. So at that time I'll need one extra pair. So just for that sake I bought this. This is from the company again, Swiss Beauty. By now y'all can really tell that from this video that I'm like a big time user for Swiss Beauty products. Swiss Beauty, if you're listening, please make me your brand ambassador. I'm just like promoting your products for free, although I have my own Instagram store, the store. Okay, but the main thing is that the Swiss Beauty products are also available in D store for a price lesser than the market price. So do hit me up if you want to buy any of your Swiss Beauty products. Okay, so coming to these lashes, they are reusable, easy to apply, and these are contact lenses friendly. Now, I don't have any numbers. I don't even wear those cosmetic lenses anytime. But those who use it, don't worry, these lashes are like contact lenses friendly as well. And this is 3D Studio Effect Eyelashes IC. The name is ICY. It blends with your backlash and multidimensional and natural volume lashes. This is cruelty free as well, which is so important. So yeah, look at them, they're so pretty. Only if I can just wear them by myself, I'll be really happy. I'll try it on one of my videos in front of you guys. Okay, the next product now which I have is, there are like so many lipsticks. Let me keep all the lipsticks towards the end because there are like many in this box. Let me bring this box here. There are so many, so I just wanted to keep them away for a while, all the lipsticks. And let me see if I can show you all something else other than the lipstick. Okay, yeah. Let me show you all these. Now this one is Lakme Instaliner water resistant eyeliner. Very basic. I think many of y'all might have used it in many other color variants and all. Black for sure. So this is one of the OGs, like even since our childhood we have been using this brand Lakme to do eyeliners and stuff. This is how I learned I learned doing eyeliners with these kind of brands. So there's no doubt that these are good ones. I'm also wearing it, if I can show you all today, this liner. You can see the color pay out of this. So yeah, this is the Insta liner in blue from Lakme. Also, I think I bought one more nail, not eyeliner, but a nail lacquer from Swiss Beauty in the teal color. Now, one of my best friends, Farida, she had insisted that I should try a teal color nail paint, and I was like, yeah, even I find it good, but I never tried it, and I don't know why didn't I try it till now. So since I was sitting and buying things from Nykaa in its sale, I was like, why not try this teal color nail paint as well, because it goes on all the skin tones, all Indian skin tones, fair people, medium people, like dark skin people, everybody. This is that versatile a color. So okay, I just wanted to show you all this. Even the friend who had recommended this to me had requested that just show it on one of your nail, what the color payload is. So because I had sent her a picture, and over there she could not make out like what's the color exactly, because she could see it blue, and I was like, no, it's teal. So Farida, this is for you. Look at this, such a pretty color. It's a teal color. So very good nail paint, again from Swiss Beauty. This haul has suddenly started sounding more like a Swiss Beauty haul rather than Nykaa haul. But no guys, it's a Nykaa haul, Pink Friday sale haul. So coming back to the other products, okay, let me show you all this. I just bought one brush, makeup brush in this haul, and it was this from PAC. Let me tell you, it is a little bit expensive. It is a little bit on the expensive side. I will link all the prices on my video on the screen, but I'm just telling you, this is pricier. But yeah, as one-time investment, it's fine. It's what my friend also told me. If you're going to use it over a long period of time, then one-time investment is fine. Okay. So this is this thick. You guys can see this is so thick. This is this thick PAC brush, which is number 243 for your fan brush, for your highlighters and stuff. Very good quality bristles, very soft and very thick. So it's going to give you a very nice application for your like shimmer or your bronze or your anything that you put for highlighting, liquid liners, like liquid highlighters, everything. It's a very good quality brush, I would say. Definitely a good investment if you guys are going to use it, but only if you guys are going to use it. If not, don't mind, girl. Just don't buy things and just keep it in your closet, show your friends, and just throw it off. Use everything that you buy, because every penny that you earn and with what you buy things costs you so much. You have worked, you have earned everything with such a hard work. So make it count, every penny. So yeah, I'm definitely going to use it. If you guys are going to use it, then it's a very good brush, I would say. One of the best in the market, the pack brushes. It also comes with the combos of many other brushes, but I already had other brushes, so I did not want to waste my money over there. But I really wanted to try one of the brushes, and I just thought, like, what would be the brush that I would be using the most out of all of these. And I thought that's the highlighter brush, because for other things I do have other brushes which I'm comfortable with. So it was this, and so I bought this. Long story short. Now coming to the other product, which is again from Just Herbs. Now, as you all can clearly see, I have bought a lot of products from Just Herbs, because solely because it's making makeup, everything like skin tints and like lip tints and lipsticks and everything using herbal products, Ayurvedic products. And only because of that reason I have like started indulging and splurging in products from this company, and I started loving this brand, Just Herbs. Also, there are many other brands which produces like natural makeup. I am yet to try them, but this I have already tried and tested. Herb enriched products, Just Herbs, and it stands true by its name, Just Herbs. So this was a combo pack from Just Herbs, lip and cheek tint, and it has Javitri, jojoba, and rice starch, and no parabens, no mineral oils, 100% vegan, Ayurvedic. It is made in India. It's an Indian company. Okay, promote local, man. So it was a combo pack of two. So it has two shades inside. One is peachy coral and the other one is pink forever. So let's go and try. This is pink forever, shade 06. This is pink forever, shade 06. You can use it on your lips. You can use it on your cheeks. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in this light, but I have used this as my blush today. Very subtle look it gives. I mean, I apply only this much. I just need a very soft, rosy look, a very subtle look. And so, this is the formulation. This is the color payout. So this is pink forever, shade 06. Very good color, very pinky, I would say. Obviously the pink Nykaa sale. I'm dressed in pink, the bow is pink, flowers are pink. It's too much of pink. Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I keep talking crap, ignore. And another one which I wanted was a little bit towards the nude side or the peachy side, coral side, you know. So I bought this shade which was 02 peachy coral, and this is 02 shade, and this is how it looks. This also I have tried, and it gives you that nude peachy look. Let me just try out for you guys, one below the other, so you all can make out the difference between two shades. You all can clearly say this is peach and this is like nude and this is pinky, right? So these were the two lip tints. You can also use it on your lips, but I prefer using them on my cheeks because I have a lot of lipsticks. When I'm feeling lazy to like dig out my lipsticks and stuff, that time I use these kind of tints and apply all over my like face and nose and lips, and I'm like ready in just like few seconds, trust me. So these lip and cheek tints are very useful. Okay, multifunctional products. So this was from Just Herbs. The next product that I have again is a freebie which came in my order from Nykaa, and this is Nykaa gave me this freebie. It is not from Nykaa. This is from Just Herbs again, which is Sapta Jal. Now this is a natural Ayurvedic micellar water. Guys, this is another level where the cosmetic industry is going. Like everything they're trying to make with natural products. So Just Herbs has made skin tint, then lip and cheek tints, then lipsticks, then like hair products, and also now micellar water. I've been a vivid user of Garnier's micellar oil infused micellar water. I've been using only that for my makeup remover, and just like few others which I've tried, but I've not tried this. Now this seems to be a natural makeup remover and a micellar water, so I really want to try this Sapta Jal, and this is Ayurvedic, so I'm definitely going to use this and let you all know how this is, because this was one of the freebies. If it works, I'm definitely switching to this then, because I love natural makeup. And now I guess remaining all the products which are left, I guess, are only lipsticks. Y'all can see how many lipsticks have I bought. They're clearly my, I would say like 70% of my Nykaa's Pink Friday sale was only for buying lipsticks, I would say. Because rest of the things I don't apply much. Like whatever I apply, I already have right now. I didn't want to waste my money. But lipsticks are something which I use. Like I like using them even when I'm not applying makeup and I want to like just go out. I can just apply some lipstick and my face is brightened up. So I like lipsticks, and that is why I don't hesitate in splurging in them. But yeah, remember, I'm buying them in the sale period. Also, I had not bought anything from Nykaa, any of the cosmetic products from Nykaa since 2 years. So just make sure. That day I think me and my best friend Farida, we both were discussing that itself. Like we both are like, when it comes to buying something, we both are junkies and we just like buy few things out in the rush, in the adrenaline rush, and then we don't end up using them. So we are not going to do that henceforth. We had discussed that, and whatever we buy, we are completely going to give justice to that. Otherwise, we won't buy. That's the thing. So that is something which even you guys should keep in mind. Just because the influencers are making videos on it, and just because you're seeing it on Instagram and you're seeing many paid promotions on it and the flash sale promotions and everything, just don't buy it for that sake. I went in for this sale this time because I really wanted to buy few things which I did not have it in my vanity for making my videos, for also my wedding season which is coming up, and I do have few weddings lined up in my side of relatives and my husband's side of relatives. So I wanted few things to create my makeup looks as well, because I am a beauty blogger as well. So I really wanted to try, that's why. And for that I had really saved for 2 years. Dude, not, it's not a joke. For 2 years I've been saving up. I've been controlling myself not to buy things, and I've been using stuff which I already had. And only then I bought these things. Also, I had filled up my cart like with so many things, but I almost reduced it. Also, there, I mean, even though there are so many things which you can see in my box, but trust me, these are just like 30% of the cart that I had filled in. So after filling your cart, just think, am I going to use this product? Am I going to give justice on using this product? Only then go and proceed and buy it. Otherwise, do not buy it. I do not recommend it. If it is just going to sit in your closet, and if you do not use that makeup on day-to-day basis. Okay. But what you can take away from this video is, out of all the other lipstick shades which I show you, if one of the lipstick or one or two lipstick shades which you have really liked, then you can go for them and just invest on only those two, not all of them that I show, okay? If you already have a lot. So let's start off. After all this pravachan and gyan which I myself have been trying hard to follow, let's start with this wisdom with our first lipstick. And it's like one of my most favorite purchase of this entire haul, and that is Nykaa's truffle shade, this matte luxe. And as its name suggests, look at its packing, it's luxe packing. You can just gift it to somebody and they'll go like, oh my god, look at this, like this gold and nude, and this is completely my style these days, like golds and nudes and peaches, and I'm more into that now. So it has a magnetic, all the Nykaa lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, the best part is they have this magnetic cover case. And let me show you the shade. I won't be able to like just give, I mean I can give you like shades, but it's, you won't understand unless you apply. So I feel that's a waste. But still, if I feel for few of the lipsticks, if I can give, I will give you all swatches. But look at this lipstick. Oh my god, such a good nude. And let me tell you, most of my purchase of lipsticks this time are nudes, because what I realized is nudes are so versatile and so useful in your day-to-day life also. When you put up a nude shade of lipstick and go out, you wouldn't pop out as made up. Whereas those dark lips and everything, they only come to use at the wedding time or when you're shooting or when you're going to some event. So even if you're like overbuying lipsticks, try to buy such shades which you can use daily and which are not overpowering and makes you look cakey. For this, I'll give you a swatch because this is a very good shade. Look at this. Such a good, such a good one. You don't even feel like it feels so natural. I mean, I'm really going to use this in my upcoming videos and you all will see it. It's so good. Even on my bare face, if I don't apply any foundation, makeup or anything else, and even on my bare face, this looks so natural. So this was the first one. The next one that I have is, should I just do all the Nykaa? Should I go brand wise? I have just picked up Nykaa, so let me just go with all the Nykaa products only. I mean Nykaa lipsticks first, because I don't want to confuse you guys and show too many products. Let me just gather all the Nykaa ones which I can see as of now. This is also Nykaa, this is Nykaa. Oh my god, I have so many Nykaas, I realized. Okay, so I'll just go and show you all the Nykaa ones. Then the next one which I bought from Nykaa is the mini liquid lipstick in the shade of Bombay. This is again a nude, pinkish nude or something. It comes in this mini one, so I really wanted to try these shades. So another pro tip while you're buying from anywhere is try and buy the mini versions of it if they are available. So because the entire lipstick nobody can finish unless you're applying it each and every day the same shade. And then what happens is the liquid lipsticks, they dry up. Even the bullet ones, they start developing that fuss and that something around on its top, and then you cannot use it. Like after 6 months they expire by their own. So try and gather these mini kind of lipsticks if you are buying. So it's cost effective and it's also useful to you. This is Bombay and it is very nice. It is really nice. You guys can see this is Bombay. Only if I can show you all this from a distance. I think this is really good product. And this mini lipstick, the best part is that you can just carry it anywhere with you in the purse, and it's really good. For the mini liquid lipsticks, I also fancied to buy one more shade which I had heard a lot about, and that is Chai. So this is again, this is not a nude, but I would say a deep brown. Now it's winter, guys, so nudes, browns, plums, these are the colors which pop out in this weather on your face. So just to like bring out all your brown shades, nude shades, deep brown shades, chocolate shades, plum shades, because it's the season for that. Although not in Mumbai, but in many parts of many parts of India and world. See, this is the Chai shade. It's like a deep dark brown, but looks very good in winter. I'm telling you, if you guys are going to any wedding in winter, this shade will definitely add a lot of glamour to your face. It's a very good brown. So this is the Chai, Nykaa's Chai shade. I actually have a lot. Let me just clean this up and come back to give you all a few more swatches. Okay, I have these wipes from D-Store, aloe vera wipes. Let me just wipe all of them. And now my hands are clean to show you all some other swatches. Okay, let's go with another Nykaa lipstick, and that is, now see, all the shades of Nykaa lipsticks that I have, these are bullet ones. Liquid ones I already showed. I only bought 2 liquid lipsticks, that was Bombay and Chai, and other ones are all bullet ones. Now in bullet ones, I just realized that I have a lot many, like these many, and but I think 4 I have bought and 1 I have got as a freebie. So in my freebies, I had one hair and scalp mask, Then I had this Sapta Jal, which had come as a freebie from Just Herbs. And I had got this lipstick as a freebie, Dress to Kill. So let's start with that. It's always good to see what you get in freebies. This is Dress to Kill. I mean, this I can show you all the swatch, but let me. I want to. There's one more freebie actually. There's one more freebie lipstick from Nykaa itself that I'll show you, which I'm wearing today. But this I'm not wearing, so I'll just show you all this. This is the shade. This is Dressed to Kill, and it's swatch, of course. It's a good berry pink kind of a shade, a good shade. All Nykaa lipsticks are quite affordable. They're bullet lipsticks in a very good price range, and their color payoffs are really good. One more thing is that for your bullet lipsticks, do remember you cannot test your bullet lipsticks variability and longevity by just applying it once and then going out and then saying that, oh, after a few hours it has just rubbed off. That's how the bullet lipsticks are designed to be. They will rub off if you eat something, if you are out for a while, or if you are talking constantly. They will fade out in shade. So you always need to carry whatever you apply. You need to carry the bullet lipsticks with you all, and they need to be really soft and creamy to apply, and they should not be drying out your lips. If you want a lipstick which stays for long, that will be done only by the liquid lipsticks, the liquid variants. They will stay for long. You don't need reapplication again and again, but they will dry out your lips. You'll have to apply a gloss, otherwise in itself it's very mattifying, the liquid lipsticks, and that is why they stay. Now bullet lipsticks, they don't dry up. Good bullet lipsticks, they don't dry up. If they are dry, they are not good bullet lipsticks. They need to be buttery, creamy, and they should not be mattifying. They should not be mattifying your lips. They will, such good ones, they will fade out after a while, and you just need to reapply a coat. There is no hassle. Just carry it along with you, whatever shade you're wearing, in your purse, and just like do one coat, one round again. Just go to the day, just take your break, do your lipstick, and just like come back, and you're good to go. So yeah, the color payoff is this. But personally, I, within like 1 hour or 2 hours, my lipstick goes off. All the bullet lipsticks, even the best of brands. But that's how it is meant to be. It should be. So do not judge any lipstick basis on that. I've seen so many girls having wrong conception on this. So please, I'm just clarifying this. Your good bullet lipsticks will not be mattifying, they'll be creamy, and just because they are creamy, they will not last you more than 1 or 2 hours. You will need overcoats of it. Next shade from Nykaa is the Gossip Dose. Now there are very minute difference because I've bought all the shades in plums, browns and nudes. So there are very minute differences if you guys can make out. If not, just enjoy watching. I do not blame you guys because very minute differences. This is the Gossip Dose. This one. And again, it's a very good plummy shade. But it is like, I mean, if you see the covering, you will know the difference between the shades. Then we have, next one we have is this, which is Daydreaming. Okay. Now this is a lighter mauve kind of a color shade. This y'all can clearly make out. It's a very light pinkish mauve nude. So when you want to go very natural on your lips, this shade will definitely look very good. And the next one that we have is Wake Up Makeup, again from Nykaa. From this series, I have picked up a lot of shades because they were so affordable. Other ones are very expensive. So I like so many shades in this, and they're so affordable. Now this shade is clearly like brown nude kind. This was pinkish nude and this is brownish nude. And the next one that I have, the second last one, because another one was again a freebie, I'll show you that. But yeah, the bought one, last one from Nykaa, and this is Let It Snooze. Let me give you a swatch for this as well. This is a bit darker nude. This is a lighter nude and this is a bit darker nude. So the last one, which I again got as a freebie. So this and this were, so in total I think I have 4 freebies in this entire haul. and these two lipsticks and one mask, hair mask, and one makeup remover. So yeah, let's go for the final one of it. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight, and nine. So in total, I think I'll have nine Nika lipsticks. Nika, are you listening? Again, you need to make me your brand ambassador. And next time in your sale, send me a PR package rather than me buying it from you. So this is the freebie, the pan stick. This is a pan stick kind of a lipstick in the shade of break dance, and this is 3.5 grams, I would say. Not that you are interested in the technicality. I'll show you all the shade which you all are interested in. This is a proper burgundy kind of pink. So all swatches from Nika lipsticks. It is in this format, pan stick format. Again, a very good lipstick, although it is freebie, but very good. Yes, I have just worn it. Like, and redo it in front of you all and show how it looks. I've already shot one video in this, so let me just reapply. See, such a good shade, and it's very creamy. It's very creamy. You don't have to like rub your lips hard and to spread the color in the lipstick. Very creamy. I mean, my parameter of any good bullet lipstick is how creamy it is and how hydrating it is for your lips. I don't like bullet lipsticks which are that mattifying, and just once you apply it just dries off and it does not rub properly, and then I don't like that. That is like work of a liquid lipstick. And so all my Nika lipsticks, they're really good. All of them worth it. If you want to buy, if you want to indulge on lipsticks, go for Nika ones, because they are very pocket friendly, light on your pocket, and also they have a variety of color shades and range to suit each and every skin tones and each and every need and even. So please go and check this out, because other lipsticks definitely are on a pricier side. Their liquid lipsticks again are on the pricier side, I would say. And even the Lux ones. This was the most priciest lipstick I think which I bought from Nika. I'll be linking down the prices on the screen. I mean, I'll be flashing those prices on the screen, but this is the most expensive. It's very expensive. So this you need to think and buy. But yeah, this range, these range are like good. They are easy on your pocket. Again, these minis are easy, but if you buy a full pack of it, a full lipstick for it, liquid lipstick, then those are also a little pricey, on the pricier side. Bullet ones are good, easier on your pocket. Now, one more brand which after Nika, which I splurged on this time wholeheartedly, was definitely Masaba. I'm a huge fan of Masaba, her style, even the series that had come, Masaba, I just watched. I do like her a lot in terms of fashion. She has a very unique and different style of hers, and I really wanted to try these Masaba lipsticks, but I was waiting for a sale period because I had seen the colors and they were really nice, the shades and all. So I was like, I'll wait till the sale period. Although Nika has sale throughout the year, but its Pink Friday sale has some extra benefits. By the time this video rolls out, I'm definitely sure that the sale might have ended. So you guys can just like pick point few things and keep it for your next bigger Nika sale. But yeah, the end of the year Pink Friday sale is always the best, I would say, in terms of prices and discounts. So let's start without wasting much time. Let's start with the Nika lipsticks now. I mean, sorry, the Masaba lipsticks now. So I had bought four variants of it, and first I'll show you all the most common, the most loved, and the most popular variant of it, and that's Masaba's Nimbu Pani shade. Now this lipstick called as Nimbu Pani. Look at the packaging, guys. Such a cute packing. I would love to just, I mean, keep aside the lipstick. I would just like to flaunt the packaging first, like in my, out of my vanity or out of my purse wherever I go. Like, it's such a cute natural packing. I mean, nature. Wow, it's nature inspired packing. And as you all can see, these packets are also made of, I mean, the top of the lipstick and everything, it's made up of cardboard. This is cardboard. So it's quite, like, I think nature oriented. And this is again a nude shade, a very good nude shade, Nimbu Pani. So I'll give you the swatches of Masaba lipsticks as well, because what I had heard from my friends is that we have tried the Nimbu Pani and we have loved it, but the other variants we have either not tried them or otherwise we have not liked them. But I had a different opinion on that, and why I will show you all by giving you all the swatches, because I loved each and every shade what I bought. Masaba lipsticks are love. Look at this shade. Oh my god. Such a good shade. Nimbu Pani is classic, I would say. It's classic. Guys can just like keep it as a classic, like the Maybelline's Nude Nuance. That was a classic nude. Same as with Masaba's Nimbu Pani. It's like aankh band karke le lo. The shade is going to suit everybody. It's that kind of a shade. The next one, so I'm not going to talk much about it because everybody knows about Masaba's Nimbu Pani. What I want to talk about is the less popular or the less spoken about shades which I've bought and I've tried, because that will add more value to this video, you watching this video. Next shade that I have is Masaba's Believe in You. This is the packing. This is Believe in You. Again, it has a very good floral design. You can see lotus. Very good color combinations used for the packing. And this is a glam lipstick. Just apply it once and you are good to glam up any event that you're going. Because it is this, especially during winters. Look at the dark payout, the color payout. Such a good brown this is. It's a glam lipstick. If you want to look glamorous, this is the shade. So I really like, along with Nimbu Pani, I really like this as well. Another one which I tried was Masaba's, let me just open the package because, You Grow Girl. This is the package. And let's see what is inside. It's inside packing. The lipstick covering is also very unique to see. Such a feel good. Again, see, there are like purple flowers, purple hibiscus I can see on yellow. Wow. Let's look at the lipstick. This is the lipstick shade, and let me just put it down over here. This is You Grow Girl shade. Again, it's a perfect nude shade. This is the Nimbu Pani one, which is famous. But look at this shade as well. This is also such a good nude to try out. If you have already tried Nimbu Pani, if you have not tried Nimbu Pani or any of the Masaba lipsticks, then definitely go for Nimbu Pani because it is tried and tested and liked by everybody. If you have already tried Nimbu Pani, then you can try the other shades which I am showing you all. And that is Masaba's You Grow Girl, or this was Believe in You, or You Grow Girl. Like, these are different shades if you have tried and you're bored of the Nimbu Pani. But yeah, Nimbu Pani is a staple, okay? You need to try that first, girl. Next shade is a red which I wanted to try from Masaba. I tried like a mauve nude, and then I tried a plum shade, and then I tried a proper nude shade. And then I wanted to try one red as well from Masaba to see how red looks, when Masaba makes a red, how that looks on people. So this is the packing for it, and its shade name is Femme Fatale. It's Femme Fatale, and this is the lipstick. Look at this, such a glam lipstick. When you want to do the red lips, this is definitely the lipstick that you should go for. If you have tried MAC's retro like Ruby Woo and other good reds in the market, definitely try this out. This will give you a red lip look like no other. Trust me. So let me just try this and show y'all. Look at this. Look at this. When you want to have your red lips days, This is definitely one of the good reds and the shade which will not be easily available in the market. It's a different kind of red, just like a bare face and a red lipstick, and just like a white crisp shirt and a jeans. Oh my god, that look is just going to make you stand out. Okay, so that was it with all the four Masaba shades which I had. This is Femme Fatale, just a brief revision. Believe in You. Then this was You Grow Girl. And this was, of course, the Neem Pani. So, all four of them for you, ladies and gentlemen. All four of you, all four shades for you guys. Your girl has tried them all. And let me tell you, I cannot differentiate. All four have become my favorites. I cannot. I mean, if I have to still pick one, it'll surely be Nimbu Pani. But it's the other like shades are also very close to it, very close, like a tough competition. I loved all the four shades that I had bought. So please try it for yourself and do let me know which is the shade that you like the best. Now, moving on to the last few lipsticks that I have. Let's move on to now Maybelline, because Maybelline is also one of the OG brands for lipsticks and a drugstore product which all the girls who start with their makeup journey, they definitely have these Maybelline kajal and mascara and lipsticks with them, because they are obviously affordable for any girl, and especially when you are just in that trying phase. So I had this in a packing of two. These both are from Maybelline, and the first one is our OG 657 shade, which is Nude Nuance. Now I had heard a lot about it, like the Masaba's Nimbu Pani. I think more than Masaba's Nimbu Pani, also this shade had made waves in on the social media ever since it had launched, and still I can see influencers like still using for nude. They will definitely turn out to this if they want to be really sure of their nude. So for a nude color, if you want to try one of the nude colors, then this is definitely a very good nude shade. That is Maybelline's Nude Nuance. You can never go wrong with this nude. Unfortunately, I had not tried it. I had only heard about it. Although it was making waves, I had not tried it till now. Because as I told you, I was just like stopping myself from buying any new makeup till now, till 2 years. Because I already had a lot, and I only when I got rid of that makeup when it expired is when I'm buying this new stock. So now I can try products which I was really longing for. Look at this. I'll someday wear it on my lips. Many shades which you see on your hand will not do the justice. When you wear it on your lips is when you can actually see what the actual color looks like on your lips. So this is the Nude Nuance to you guys. Girls, if you want to buy one nude color, then definitely go for this is like definitely easy on your pocket, and in the sale I got even like a pack of two, so it was like very cheap to me when I bought it in a combo. So look out for combos. If you can buy in combo, then it'll be really nice. And along with this Nude Nuance, I got another lips shade in the combo, and that is the shade 660 Touch of Spice, which was again kind of a nude but a different shade. This is this was a brown nude nuance, and this was like a pink shade, a mauve shade of nude. So you get both of them and you can play around. So if you want to go to a particular wedding and you want to carry your nudes and you don't know like which ones to carry with, this is a no brainer. Just take these two and you're good to go with any shade of nudes you want to create. Like this will give you pinkish tint and this will give you like a brownish tint. You can mix both of them and create a third shade, and you can create many looks. So these two are enough for you to carry if you want to carry it while you're traveling or while you're out of your house. These two will suffice. So this was the Maybelline's Nude Nuance and Touch of Spice. Then I'll move on to Swiss Beauty again. After so many other products, again the Swiss Beauty is back in the video, and this was its like color crayon lipstick. And since I told you I was on a hunt of good nude lipsticks only this time, so I was trying nudes and browns from every company, and so I also wanted to try from Swiss Beauty. I cannot like leave it alone. It's one of my favorite brands. in the drugstore range. So I definitely had to try this. This is the shade 230 and the shade name is Brandy Harrington. This is Brandy Harrington, and let me show you how, how Brandy looks like. This is how Brandy looks like. This is Brandy Harrington. These are such good winter colors. Oh my god, I think I've bought it at the perfect time. These shades are such good winter shades, all the lipsticks that I've bought. So, in case if you guys are also like trying or willing to buy some winter shades and some nudes and plums and stuff, which goes with the season of wedding and winter weather, these are perfectly the lipsticks that you should be watching from my video and buying. You will not be disappointed, trust me. Okay, then there was one more luxury edition lipstick which I wanted to try from Lakme ever since it had come out, and that was this. Look at its festive packing. It had many shades, but I stopped myself from buying other shades because again it was a this was a limited edition from Lakme, and this says get festive ready with the Lakme's limited edition lipstick. Unbelievable moisture, which I like in my bullet lipsticks. Intense matte color in one stroke. So it will give you a matte look, but still it will moisturize. It's not mattifying. So I like this. Look at this shiny packing. Oh my god. And it has a diya way of a festive packing. So I think it got launched around Diwali or something for its festive limited edition. And I was lucky enough to get it on Nykaa till now. And I think this will also serve good on your wedding festivities and the wedding season. So again, I did not buy a red lipstick since I had already bought a Masaba one, and I do have a lot of red lipsticks because I was only a collector of red lipsticks till now. And suddenly, then few months back, I realized I also like nudes and other shades of pinks and stuff. And that's when I started using them. Otherwise, for me, lipstick was just like a red lipstick. That's lipstick to me. That was the case. So because of that, I had collected a lot of reds. So this time I made sure that I'm not touching any red shade other than Masaba. So this also limited edition I bought in this shade, a nude shade. Maybe after this haul I will not need any new shades till like 1 or 2 years. I'm joking. They do expire after a certain amount of time, so you should just like throw it off. But yeah, should I just like rub out all this because it's confusing my audience? Wait, you girlies, I won't confuse you. I'll just remove all of them and now I'll put this. It's a very subtle kind of nude. You will have to apply 2-3 coats for it to show. But still it is quite light. I mean, on the screen definitely you cannot see it. But on your lips, obviously it is going to look very nice, subtle and soft look which you want to have, at times. At times other things are so loud in your get up or your dress that you want to go very mild on your lips. So it is one of those kinds. You can wear it daily, those kind of shades. Just a hint of lipstick, that's it. So this was that Lakme's. Okay, I forgot to tell you the shade, sorry. The shade is Pink Delight. This is Pink Delight. It's a very light mauve. Definitely looks good on all the skin tones, I would say. It will not make, trust me, I have used this. It will not make you look washed out. You know what happens with very light lipsticks is with the dark or the medium skin people, they look washed out with these kind of lipsticks, but this won't. I've tried and it really just adds to your soft look, when you want to have a soft look. Now, the last two lipsticks of my Pink Friday sale, they are from Biotic. I think you've already heard the brand. This brand had all like started with giving out skincare and hair care products, and I think before a few months or a year back, it also like jumped into the game of cosmetics. And again, this Biotic company is known for making natural products, be it hair care, skincare. So obviously, their makeup was also not going to be anything different. It is also like claimed to be natural makeup, and as I told you all, I'm shifting towards natural makeup more than the chemical ones. So I had to try them, and let me tell you, these lipsticks are also very pocket friendly. So I've tried and picked up things which are pocket friendly and kind of drugstore, so that everybody can buy, and only one or two limited. Only I think you all can see, only I've bought two limited edition lipsticks. Otherwise, all of them are in the price range. And also Masaba is mid range. It is not a limited edition or a very high end lipstick. I have not bought Max. I have not bought Estee Lauders or Bobbi Browns. I've just like taken Nykaa and Biotech and Swiss Beauty and Maybelline and Masaba. So somewhere around drugstore and mid range products, because even I don't like splurging in very heavy end products. Once in a while it's okay, but if you are like thinking to make them your daily OGs and stuff, then obviously you cannot afford it. Let's be practical. You cannot afford a 3,000 rupees lipstick for your daily use, or for usage, unless you're like freaking rich. Even if you are freaking rich, why you want to spend so much on your daily usage when you have such good options available? A limited edition or a high end lipstick is high end for a reason. So let them be it at that point. For our daily use, let's start using and let's start supporting small brands as well, because they're equally doing well, guys. Equally doing well. So let me start with this lipstick of Biotech. It is natural makeup and the range name is Magic Color Lipstick. Make My Lips Smack is the range. Okay. And this, look at the beautiful light baby pink packing that it has, and this cover as well. These all things can serve as good gifts as well. When guys say we don't know what to give our girls, I laugh, because you have like thousands of options, guys. Just wake up, switch to YouTubers and influencers like us. They are like giving out ideas like in floods in their videos what to gift to a woman. So just go to them. Now this is the shade. This shade is, let me just figure out what shade this is. Okay, this is Cookie Crumble. This shade is Cookie Crumble, and I'll just give you all a swatch for this. This is the swatch for Cookie Crumble. This lipstick I think was below 100 rupees, guys, and look at the color payout of this. A very, very good lipstick in this range, giving tough competition to high-end lipsticks. And the other one which I bought was, let me figure out the shade. This is Red Velvet. Now I love Red Velvet cupcakes and cakes and everything. I was like, why not try Red Velvet lipstick as well? And definitely, like, it struck me that okay, I like this lipstick as well. Red Velvet is something which can never disappoint me in any form, be it pastries or chocolates or cakes or even the lipstick. Look at the Red Velvet shade, guys. I think so. Then I have two reds. If I had forgotten about this, I have only two reds which I have picked in this video for this Nykaa haul. So these are the two Biotech lipsticks which I find quite useful for your daily usage. All the college going girls, if you want to jump into the makeup game, but go easy on your daddy's money, or even your own money if you're earning if you're just getting pocket money and you want to go easy on your pockets, then please switch to these kind of products which are in your range. Just do not buy because one of your friend has bought like a MAC or a Estee Lauder. I'm not against those brands. I love them. I have a full kit of Estee Lauder which was gifted to me. But I personally feel that these products are to splurge once in a while. But like for other times, if you are someone who likes buying things, do not hook on to something which is very expensive. Otherwise, you're going to be broke very soon, girl. You can splurge once a while, and then you can come back to these good products, these Swiss Beauties and your Biotechs and your Nykaas and everything, and just like make your life easier, okay? So I think I'm done. The box is empty. All the products are out there in front of you. These were all the products that I bought from my Nykaa sale. This was the much awaited video. All you guys were like, insisting me to make a video very soon. since I was putting out stories of all these products in bits and parts, and you guys were, please make a full-fledged video of this Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, what you have bought, and show us the shades and show us all the products. So I hope I was able to show y'all. I showed y'all each and every product that I've bought. I've just bought these many products and I've showed everything to you. I will feel very happy if this video was useful to any one of y'all in solving any of the makeup mysteries that you all had in the mind about regarding the shade or the brand. And if you guys want me to keep making such videos and give detailed reviews of these products, then do let me know. You can just hit me up in my comments, or you can just connect with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is ds90official. I personally have a lifestyle and a beauty store as well on Instagram. I run that, which is D Store. Its Instagram handle is dstore9010. You can go and follow that Instagram handle as well. Even I like roll out many products in budget friendly like ranges. So because I personally believe that, and so you guys get very good products over there, be it makeup or accessories or clothing or footwear or purses, handbags, even menswear, household decor, each and everything is covered in my lifestyle store. And that is why I have not named it as a beauty store. It is a lifestyle store, because I roll out all products which are necessary to maintain a healthy, good, and a balanced lifestyle. And so if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Also press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload a new video on this channel. And I'll be back to you guys soon with such interesting videos. And I promise I'm also going to start the daily vlogs again very soon. I was caught up with some work, but I definitely will come up with new travel videos and food videos and daily vlogs and beauty videos. And I love being active over here, but it's just that I have few commitments here and there about my other profession also, which gives me a little time to do all these things. But I'll strive hard and I'll give out content to all you lovely people who have been waiting so patiently for me till now. So please stay glued to this channel and be with me in this journey, and I'm sure I will never disappoint you guys. You guys are so lovely. I love you all. Thank you so much. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye bye.